Hey folks, so I'm just doing a little quick test on the Pocket 3 of the Freewell VND, so mist filter. So this is an ND filter with 1 to 5 stops. There's also another one in the set which is stop 6 to 10, but they have a mist effect. I think it's around about 1/4 to maybe 1/8. Doesn't seem to state on the box, or not that I've noticed. But I've got a little bit of sample footage without the filter on, and with the filter on to see you can compare. And I'm actually filming with the filter on at the minute. So I'm going to walk sort of down into the towards the sun, so I'm lit, so you can get us. It's fairly sunny today, but I'm in in the woods here, so it's a little bit. I'm trying to get some shafts of light coming through, but the sun isn't playing. But if we turn around and walk back through, you should be able to see the highlights in the sky, which are a bit diffuse at the minute. See how it blows that out. But hopefully you saw a bit more in the little test footage where I sort of panned over some leaves with droplets of water on, to give you an idea of what it's like. So I think we'll walk around here and turn around and see what we can achieve walking back. So I'm just going to walk back along through the woody path, see what we can see. So you can see I'm very backlit at the minute, but this is sort of deliberate so that you can actually see what the sky looks like when it's blown out, as it were. I'm just trying to zoom out from me there a little bit so you can get an idea of what it's like. Now, I haven't actually had a chance to review these on the computer yet, so I will reserve judgment for when I get back home and have a little look at them, and then we can sort of discuss what we think. But I think mist filters they do add a nice effect on. Right, we'll just turn down here. See if we can get some side light on me, so you can get an effect of what I'm like lit on the side. I've got the standard default out of camera settings for sharpening. So both set to 0, softening and noise reduction to 0, so that we can see what this works like with the Pocket 3 out the box. So time to head back, I think. There we go, nice blown out sun. Oh, and one more thing, we're recording this in M-Log, I believe it is, 4K 25. So let's go and have a look at the footage and see what we think. Catch you all in a sec. So I've had a look at the footage back home now, so I thought I'd do a quick summing up. And actually, having a look at what I've recorded, I'm actually really pleased with the quality of these VNDs. They're £30 each, but you can only buy them in a set of 2, so £60. So they're not cheap, but there doesn't seem to be any. Sometimes on wide lenses you get like a cross effect when you're at the extremes of the polarizing effect or the ND effect on a variable ND, but these ones seem to be good. They soften the image slightly, but I think in a pleasing way. And definitely from the default settings, you're definitely getting a more pleasing, more filmic, soft look and lovely blown highlights. I think it's about 1/4, looking at how much it's actually blowing the highlights and the out in in whatever you've framed. So not a 1/8, probably a 1/4 inch, equivalent to 1/4 inch mist, but it's really handy having it combined with an ND, because you're almost always going to need an ND if you're filming in 180-degree shutter rule. So I would recommend these. Really pleased with what they've produced. They're actually easier to put on than standard Freewell filters because of the protruding VND dial on them. You can actually pick them up and grip them. I found the other standard filters really fiddly. Anyway folks, hope you like this quick little video I've thrown together about the Freewell VND mist filters. Interesting combination, but definitely a good idea, and nobody else seems to be doing it. So check them out. See you all later, folks. Bye.